Making money with AI has become a huge trend, but most people keep talking about the same tools and the same ideas. Everyone is trying to start the same businesses, which makes things more competitive. But the truth is, there are many AI tools that people rarely talk about, and they can actually help you build a simple income online. If your goal is to make around $500 a week using AI, you don't need a complicated business. What you need is a simple system where AI helps you complete tasks quickly and clients are willing to pay for the results. One of the easiest opportunities right now is AI-powered content repurposing. Every day, creators and businesses publish long videos, podcasts, webinars, and interviews. But most of that content only appears in one place, and a lot of value gets wasted. This is where AI tools come in. AI can take a long video or podcast and turn it into multiple pieces of content. For example, a 1-hour podcast can be turned into several short video clips, social media posts, captions, blog summaries, and quote graphics. Many creators know they should be doing this, but they simply don't have the time. That creates a perfect opportunity. Your job would be offering a content repurposing service where you take their long content and transform it into many smaller pieces they can post across different platforms. With AI tools helping you cut clips, generate captions, and write summaries, the entire process becomes much faster than doing it manually. A single client could easily pay $50 to $100 per project, and if you work with several clients each week, reaching $500 becomes very realistic. Another AI opportunity that people rarely discuss is AI-powered lead generation. Businesses are constantly searching for potential customers. They want lists of people who might be interested in their services, but collecting that information manually can take a lot of time. AI research tools can help gather and organize information quickly. For example, you could help businesses find potential clients within a specific industry or location. You can organize the results into a clean spreadsheet with names, websites, emails, and other useful details. Many marketing agencies and small businesses pay for lead lists because it saves them hours of research. If you position yourself as someone who can provide organized and targeted leads quickly, this can become a valuable weekly service. Another underrated AI income stream is AI voiceover creation. Many businesses, YouTubers, and educators need voiceovers for videos, presentations, and ads. Hiring professional voice actors can be expensive, but modern AI voice tools can generate surprisingly realistic narration. If you combine AI voice tools with simple script writing, you can create voiceovers for explicable videos, short ads, educational content, or social media videos. Clients often just need clear narration for their projects, and AI allows you to deliver that quickly. There is also a growing opportunity in AI presentation creation. Entrepreneurs, students, and professionals frequently need presentations for meetings, pitches, or online classes. Creating slides from scratch can be time-consuming, especially when someone is trying to organize information clearly. AI tools can help turn raw text or ideas into structured slide presentations within minutes. Instead of spending hours designing slides manually, you can use AI to generate the base structure and then polish the design. Offering presentation creation as a service can attract clients who want professional-looking slides without spending too much time. Another interesting opportunity is AI-powered document summarization. Many professionals deal with long reports, research papers, and documents. Reading through hundreds of pages is not always practical, especially when someone only needs the key insights. AI tools can summarize complex information and extract important points quickly. If you offer a service where you summarize documents into clear and organized summaries, it can save clients a significant amount of time. When it comes to reaching $500 a week, the most important thing is not the tool itself. It's the number of people you help and the value you provide. For example, if you offer a service for $50, you only need 10 clients in a week to reach $500. That's actually a very achievable target. The process becomes even easier if you create simple service packages. Instead of selling one small task, you can bundle several related services together. For example, content repurposing could include short video clips, captions, and social media posts all in one package. Packaging your services makes your offer look more valuable. and clients often prefer buying a complete solution instead of multiple small tasks. Another smart strategy is focusing on a specific niche. Instead of offering your service to everyone, you might specialize in helping podcasters, YouTubers, coaches, or local businesses. When you focus on one group, it becomes easier to understand their needs and market your services effectively. Consistency is also a major factor. Many beginners try a new online idea for a few days and then move on to something else. But real income usually comes from repeating the same simple actions every day, like reaching out to potential clients, improving your service, and building relationships. AI has made it easier than ever to complete tasks quickly, but it still rewards people who are willing to take action. The tools can generate ideas, write scripts, create visuals, and analyze information, but the person who connects those tools with real clients is the one who actually earns money. The exciting part about using lesser-known AI tools is that there is less competition. While everyone else is chasing the same popular trends, you can quietly build a simple system that delivers real value to businesses and creators. Making $500 a week might sound like a big goal at first, but when you break it down into small services and consistent effort, it becomes much more achievable than most people think.